Who has won the 51st National Women's Carom Championship 2024 title? Answer. Rashmi Kumari. What is the theme of International Day of Human Space Flight 2024? Answer. Encourage scientific curiosity. Recently partnered with Asewa and Ha Pokhara to promote UPI in Nepal. Answer. PhonePe. Which bank has appointed Murli Ramakrishnan as non-executive independent director for 4 years in April 2024? Answer. RBL Bank. Recently, in which country Pola Baishakh is celebrated with traditional enthusiasm? Answer. Bangladesh. A new AI tool can predict fatal heart rhythms accurately. What is the name of the tool? Answer. VARESNET 50. Which company has launched the new version of Girls Empowerment Mission, GEM, in April 2024? Answer. NTPC Limited. World Chagas Disease Day is observed on? Answer. The 14th of April. What is the national anthem of India? Answer. Jana Gana Mana. Who designed the national flag of India? Answer. Pingali Venkaiah. What is the national song of India? Answer. Vande Mataram. Pompey city is located in which country? Answer. Italy. Queqiao 2, a relay satellite, was launched by which country? Answer. China. Which country launched first Angara A5 space rocket? Answer. Russia. Who has been appointed as coach of Indian women's hockey? Answer. Harendra Singh. Recently, the former president of Cricket Australia passed away. What is his name? Answer. Jack Clark. Gaunt painting of which state has recently got G tag? Answer. Madhya Pradesh. Guruling Kapse passed away recently. Who was he? Answer. Author. Where has the Skywalk Bridge been built recently in Uttar Pradesh? Answer. Chitrakoot. Who has been recently appointed as the MD and CEO of Bank of Maharashtra? Answer. Nidhu Saxena. Who has recently been appointed as Joint Director of CBI? Answer. Anurag Kumar. Which penalty bank has recently started Aadhaar ATM service? Answer. India Post Payment Bank. Where was the Swami Vivekanand U20 Football Championship inaugurated recently? Answer. Chhattisgarh. Which Indian origin psychologist has recently been included in Britain's World Scientific Research Team? Answer. Dr. Ashwani Keshavan. Who was Barbara Rash, who passed away recently? Answer. Actress. When is World Autism Awareness Day celebrated? Answer. The 2nd of April. When is International Transgender Day of Visibility celebrated? Answer. The 31st of March. Who has been recently appointed as the MD and CEO of Bank of Maharashtra? Answer. Nidhu Saxena. The world's largest renewable energy park was built by the Adani Group in? Answer. Gujarat. India has signed a protocol to amend the Double Taxation Avoidance Agreement, DTA, with? Answer. Mauritius.